Okay, here is Winnie and Lancelot's litter. That's Winnie. Just took him out for the first time. Get down here. That's a little sable and white boy. He is still available. That's a little sable girl. I know it, you just don't know what to think, right? And there's the little chocolate sable female. Whoop. Your flap just closed on your dog, Lou. And here's Mom. Here's Win. Hello, Win. What you doing, Winnie? I'm just starting to walk around. A little slippery out here, huh? Well, there they are, doing good.